everybody, welcome back to another episode on Christy vs. Kitchen. On today's episode, I thought it'd be really fun to try to create the McDonald's infamous Big Mac. Now, a Big Mac is essentially just a hamburger with a special sort of assembly with a special sauce. So I thought it'd be really fun if I could recreate one for you guys so you can see how easy it is and most likely more delicious to make at home. So not only am I wanting to see if I can recreate it and taste even better, but I want to see if I can do this in under 15 minutes. Like, can we make this faster than fast food? The ingredients seem very straightforward for the Big Mac special sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and set a timer and we are going to get started. And go. All right, the first thing we are going to do is get started with cooking the hamburger. So I got some patties from the grocery store and we are just gonna put them on the skillet right here. Okay, now while those are cooking, I'm going to get working on the Big Mac sauce. The first thing we are going to need is a half a cup of mayo. I probably should have done this before. I am just going to be making everything in this guy. All right. That looks like about a half cup. What else do we need? We need 2 tablespoons of French dressing. Come on, why won't you open it? 2 tablespoons. There we go, good enough. And then we need 4 tablespoons of, oh man. Okay. Ooh, 4 tablespoons of pickle relish. Make sure the pickle relish is sweet. And then we need 1 tablespoon of diced yellow onion. It's supposed to be minced, so I'm just gonna cut this up a little bit more. 2 tablespoons. Just gonna guesstimate on that. Okay, and then we need 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. And then we need 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. And then an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. We're just gonna go in and mix this all up. Let's try that. Tastes pretty on point. Cool. Let's get everything ready for assembly. All right, so what we need are 1.5 hamburger buns. So we need a top and a bottom, and then we just need a bottom. So what we need to do, get a plate. All right, so we're gonna stack the bottom, and then we are going to some special sauce. And then onion. And then some shredded lettuce. We're at 8 minutes, which means we're doing pretty good. 1 slice of American cheese. All right, we have 5 minutes left on the clock, so I'm gonna let these hamburgers cook as long as possible because I like my hamburgers to be well done. We're doing pretty good on time, so I'm just gonna let them cook a few more minutes. All right, we got 3 minutes left on the clock, so we're just gonna go ahead and assemble these hamburgers. Ooh, juicy, juicy. Next, we then layer beef patty, and then we're gonna do the middle bun. And then more special sauce, more onion, more lettuce, pickle slices. We like pickles. Next, beef patty. Oh my gosh, this thing is epic. And then top bun. We got 2 minutes to spare. This is such a big hamburger. This hamburger is like almost as big as my head. I can't believe we did this in just 13 minutes. Look how beautiful that is. I'm stoked for this. All right, you guys, we did it. We made a Big Mac. All right, so let's go ahead and wow, this is Oh man, this is falling apart. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. This is amazing. Okay, all I have to say is that I understand why when fast food comes in a bag, it gets a little bit soggy because these hamburgers were really, really juicy. This tastes absolutely delicious, way better than McDonald's. And I did it in less than the time it would take for you to drive there, order it, come back and eat it. So I highly recommend this. Recipe will be totally linked down below. Thank you so much for watching another episode on Christy vs. Kitchen. Make sure to like the video if you liked it, subscribe, hit the bell, and let me know down below what would you like to see next. Cheers. It's so good.